Origins, 26315. Let's do this thing good luck. If there's a couple of Lakers, we'll randomize. If not, no point. Let's do it. Thin pack. Very thin. Siakam, Clay. For the Magic, private signing, Tristan da Silva. On-card rookie auto. That's nice. Orlando, Daniel Paulhouse, congratulations. And a second private signings. Bobby Clinton. Zaki to 75, Sengun to 299, and Maxi to 99. More private signing than John Williams, Steph Curry, calligraphy, Chet Holmgren for the Thunder. That actually rules. That is Chet Holmgren from 2024, is all it says. Tristan Newton, Dawn to 25, Reed Shepard to 299, TSJ, and to 60, Kevin Durant. All right, finally, nice Wemby base. Jacoby Walter to 49. Paco Dadiet to 49. This is another one. What the hell's going on here? Jalen Tyson, jersey 11. The amount of times that third auto has been Jalen Tyson. Someone whose name is very similar. 62-75, Jason Tatum. Jay Noah to 299. And a Laurie Markham to 75. Now, I don't think there were any Lakers in there. I will just go back through that. Because there could be one I missed, but I think we were Laker free. I'm like, dude, nice try. $27 left in that break, which fills our Origins case break. I expected to only need bloody thick sleeves for these breaks, which, you know, very normal of Origins, thick sleeves. Even the smallest cards don't fit in a regular top loader, so you just get the thick sleeves out. Next minute, all bloody tiny cards. But good ones. Origins, 265, you see anything like it?